Go!
Is there a recording?
Ooh, that was epic! Did you see that? YouTube followers!
Fun's over for everybody.
Hey, Taylor! Dude, I got a huge surprise on where we're gonna go for these guys. We got some good stuff today.
Jake, they already read the title.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Well. Alright, we'll take two. Dude, Taylor! We're having so much fun at the beach today!
Yes, sir.
That's what we're gonna do, guys. We are gonna be at the beach today. And we out. Bye. Lake day. Going to the lake. It's 1,000 degrees out. It's wonderful. Taylor, we're going to the lake.
Yeah. I can't wait.
Awesome, me too.
Yeah.
Wait, I mean, we already showed videos that were already there, so I don't know what to think right now or do. Have we already done it? Or...
Deja vu, man.
Deja vu. There's a ladybug on my hand. It flew away.
It's like the Statue of Liberty, Jake.
Feel like the Statue of Liberty?
Yeah.
She said to me, she told me that all she wanted was my dad's swimming, but dad's not. So go swimming with your daughter.
You can hit the pause button.
I feel like when you struggle to like breathe in and breathe in something. I'm like, oh, I'm too outspoken for my family sometimes.
They're so quiet. My dad though, he's a good time.
Hey, Dad.
Fools. Mark is a good time. My mom, she can be.
Wasn't home.
Jake! Help me!
Check on her shoulder.
She's got a strap with her, be careful.
Remember what I said? Hey, we've all warned him. It don't matter.
Well, I know it's funny. I was the one that dumped the water on him.
Okay, it don't matter. I wasn't gonna stop until that. Jake, you don't think you got away, bro.
Hey, Bubba. Hey! No!
Fail.
It. So my dad put water in Sean's beer, like a lot of water. So we're gonna catch his reaction.
Sorry? Oh, I didn't realize that's cold.
Is the water really cold? No, it's really not.
Hey, what did we get? I just love it.
What are you doing? His eye got knocked out yet. And Logan drives like he's insane.
He's not knocked up yet. That's what I'm saying.
How do you feel having all of us old people on here? Yeah, we're really old. I'm old. I don't know about you. We're the oldest.
I'm old.
We are old.
It might be a little shaky.
There you go. Those withdrawals.
Huh? Does that make it better or what?
Yeah.
Personally, I don't know.
I feel like,
It's your camera, dog.
yeah, I'm not used to this kind of camera. I don't have a camcorder.
You hold it like this, it works better.
Send it. Logan is captain.
Hey, Jake, I like your hair.
Thank you, buddy. Just got back from the lake, guys. Super intense, as you saw. And I went out on the lake, on the boat. Got some tubing in. Now we're gonna sit back. It's not even that late. It's like, what time is it? Like 6 o'clock?
6:30.
Okay, it's 6:30 and we are just completely wiped out right now. We're just gonna make some food and then we are gonna edit. Make food and edit. gosh. The struggle is real. Alright, let's go. So tired right now. I just don't want to move. Tyler's gonna make us food. Alright, Taylor needs hamburger helper stuff. Alright, which one do we want? Cheesy Italian shells? Philly cheesesteak? Or Philly cheesesteak? Philly cheesesteak sounds pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, now reading what we need to get. We need beef. Yep, 1 pound of beef. Absolutely tasty. Gonna grab some beef. Ah, it's in the freezer. Duh. Who opens up the fridge for beef? Seriously? By the way, do you guys like my hair? Thinking about just putting gel in it and just leaving it like this every single day. Let me know in the comments if you think so. Is this how you thought? This I thought meat, ladies and gentlemen. All you young cooks out there. Okay, tell them what we don't have right now.
Measuring cups.
So what are we doing?
We don't need that yet. We're compromising.
Compromising. Is that the right word for it? Compromising? I don't think we're compromising. What are we trying to do? I couldn't remember. I'm too tired.
Improvising.
Improvising. Compromising.
Compromising.
We're compromising. We're improvising. I am hungry right now. Real quick, guys, I just want to say one, you can see how big my ankle is. You see that on the right there? Look how swollen it is. Right there. Oh. You see that? That's a big bubble. Yeah, that's not supposed to be there. This one's a little bit more skinnier. This one's really fat. It's not supposed to be normal. And then this weekend we're gonna be at the lake and we're gonna make some sweet videos. So they won't come out at the lake because there's no Wi-Fi out there or no internet. So I'll have to wait to post them at, like, following Monday. So stay tuned for that, guys. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. Lots of awesomeness. Taylor, I just want to say good job at making this, bud. Looks wonderful. Can't wait to eat it. As you're saying what in the living room? I am talking to you, Taylor. Me and Taylor are gonna watch a movie and edit and eat this delicious food. So, good night, YouTube.
Good night. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys later.
See you guys this coming weekend.
Yeah.
Afterwards. Gonna get a lot of sweet film. So stay tuned.